Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of the flat sale on the handcrafted pieces. Hope you have had some time to catch up the first live which we just ended, and let us know if the audio is working. That is something that you have to tell us, that hopefully everything is working fine on Facebook. Now this is going to be the second part of it. We're going to be showcasing to you. Okay, we just talk about that. We'll just talk about the lovely pieces that are there in this. Okay, so this is how it's working. हमने एक लाइव जस्ट खत्म किया है जस्ट 15 मिनट्स पहले, जिनमें हमने बहुत सारे पीसेस दिखाए हैं. उनमें से कुछ अवेलेबल है, कुछ सोल्ड आउट है, बट फिर भी बहुत सारे पीसेस हैं. सो उनमें से आई थिंक 3-4 ऑफ दम गॉन. सो दे आर गोइंग एज पीपल आर मेकिंग अप देयर माइंड्स. सो आई ऑल्सो टेल यू टू मेक अप योर माइंड एंड गो फॉर इट. अच्छा, सो पहला लाइव खत्म हुआ है, उसमें हमने एक कलेक्शन दिखाया है. अब ये दूसरा लाइव है, मेरे पास सब कुछ यहाँ है जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ. Hopefully in the next 45 minutes मैं आपको सब दिखा पाऊंगी, and then it will be the last live for you to kind of then make up your mind and find your beautiful ones. Without wasting any more time, I'm going to start with the first piece that there is. Now this piece, now look at this. This is your one piece right there. This is our most premium range of dupattas in Bandhni, with or without work. Now look at that. This is the most incredible work on it. Very, very fine kadwa work along with this handcrafted detailing, all that there is that you can see. Now this I will give you the match. ये पूरा इसका backing है, सब कुछ इसमें ready है. If you have a wedding, if you are planning to be a part of one, if you are looking for such collections, this is the time for going for them. Now one sec, I will just show you the beauty of this particular piece. We are very happy to share a picture with you, a video with you, so that you can get your favorite pieces. Look at this incredible piece. Now this comes with a full suit set. Of course, आप चाहें तो इसको you can always get it embellished more if you want at your end. But this is the perfect look. The complete set before discount 1,18,625. The complete set in discount with a plain silk bottom 83,999. What you get is this very, very beautiful piece, and along with that you get the plain silk bottom. That's your full 3-piece look, and there you go. I think it's absolutely amazing. It looks beautiful. We specialize in Banarsi. ये एक बनारसी जॉर्जेट है, ये एक बनारसी बांधनी piece है दुपट्टे का with handwork. Take a screenshot. Now I'm going to show you the second color that we have in such collection, and let's show you the details first of the piece, and then I'm going to right away. Now this particular set 89,505. Look at this piece, 89,505. कुर्ता है, इसमें दुपट्टा है, bottom है. What a statement dupatta at that. This is your time to find these stunner pieces. Beautiful dupattas, each one a beautiful statement to make. Look at that, here it is, and that's your kurta, and it comes with a plain silk bottom. The discount price of this one is 76,999. That's your price, 76,999. This handwork dupatta, look at the detailing here, Bandhni, all of that detailing right there, all done by hand, the highlighting. This is the backing, everything is ready. So you have this one incredible piece that you can see right here, and it is 76,999. It comes with a plain bottom, and of course अगर available है कुर्ता extra तो आप ले सकते हैं. If not, इसका एक और color, the red one that is there, I also want to show that, so that you have seen the heavy pieces that you have, so yes, I'm starting with the heavier ones, the masterpieces that we have for you, and then we will go on to the ones, so yes, just hang on. This is one more piece in this particular collection, which is what I want to showcase to you, and there you go. Here it is. Look at that. That's your one wonderful piece together. There you go. This one is before discount 1,18,625, and in discount 83,999. Now look at this piece, guys. Look at this piece. मैथ्स आप कैसे भी कर लें, you will see the huge advantage of getting these amazing pieces. You are attending a wedding, you have to, host one, it's in your family, it's your child's, it's your own. These are the pieces that you're looking at. They will, absolutely make and change your trousseau. Really, look at the whole detailing. That's your dupatta. This is a Georgette kurta, because all you will really need with such a statement piece. I'm going to move this a little aside and I'm going to show this one to you right here. All you will need is just a base for it. We are also doing that for you. Ye aapka base ho gaya of the, for the dupatta, and then you go for it. It has everything that you are looking for. Look at this piece right here. I'm also showcasing this. Oh, look at the detailing. So when you come for these flat sales, you can only expect the best of the best always coming to you. Look at that. Now you can see the whole feel and look. Absolutely premium. These are showstoppers in your trousseau. There you go. That's the piece that you're going for. So this is the 3 incredible masterpieces that we have for you. And now we go on to something absolutely light and amazing. We will come on to all of those. Now look at that. The price for these, this is our Jamewar premium fabric. And it's the chit. Okay, I'm going to put the chit here because I have 3 wonderful colors that I'm going to showcase to you. This is 42,925 before, and look at that. I'm going to show you the kurta right here, and 42,925, and this is the dupatta. This is, you can see this is a wonderful organza handwork detailed dupatta. The after price is 33,999. 33,999. That's the price that you're going for these pieces. Now look at that. That's your whole look right there. I have 2 more color options in this. Look at the beauty of this. There you go. Ye hai kurta. Iske saath plain chinia silk bottom. This is the dupatta. Can I also do the yellow dupatta on this? Yeah. I want to also showcase to you the yellow dupatta. You can also see this. So it's a really just a perfect look. Let me just bring it back to you like this. This is your perfect look. 33,999 with a plain silk bottom is just perfection. Let's open this up. There you go. Here is your look. This is our Jamewar fabric along with it. Now the next option that we have is this beautiful red. So there you go. This is the beautiful red piece. Ab iske saath again I'm going to showcase to you this one. Now of course, because मैंने ये आपको already एक दिखाया है, if we have to make the second one, the buttas may change. That's a natural part of it, right? Because I've shown you the same dupatta with both. Now this is 33,999. 33,999, and you can see this lovely combination. I think it looks amazing. Look at the fabric in detail. I'm also showcasing it to you. That's, look at the whole detail of the one. I think I'm going to come a little closer and showcase to you. Okay, now this is the next one, Esime. And what perfection. Look at the wonderful combination. Again, 33,999. The before price is 42,925. So there you go. What detailing, what work. And you can see it right here. Have a look. Absolutely amazing. This wonderful color in it. It looks really nice with a plain silk bottom. 33,999. Make sure that you've got your links, that you make your mind, and take your payment links and close it immediately so that you have gotten the piece. Now this one sold out. This wonderful color sold out. This dupatta also sold out. This suit set also sold out. So now if you tell me this is gone, can I get another? Of course not. So this is all. So this is also gone out. These beautiful colors. This we have showcased to you in the first live. But wait, don't go to the first live. You can see the moment this is over, I will tell you. Okay, now we're going to go for some wonderful more combinations. ऐसे मैं दिखाऊंगी ताकि आपको give me the price ऊपर so that it's quicker. Now where is the price for this one? I'll come back to this once again. I can't find the chit, so I'll come back to it once again. Iska, meanwhile, this very nice, very pretty set. This is 49,425 before, and this is 38,999. Now look at that. What a gorgeous color that this is. And this again comes with a plain silk bottom. Don't forget that part, that it will come with a plain silk bottom, and it's absolutely wonderful. How amazing, so classy, and all gold zari. This one is all gold and antique, and I think it's such a perfect set. This one is for 38,999 in discount. You know, that's the price that, oh, I think it's so gorgeous. Look at that, with a plain silk bottom. The next one, this is 29,999. So this is 29,999 for the full 3-piece set. The before price is 36,625. This is the before price, and right now it is 29,999. And again, you can see the perfection. You can see the entire look right here. I'm also going to open this one, showcase it to you, look at it from very close. Even this is the live shopping. Live देखें, live खरीदें, उसी में मजा है. The lives will of course be posted. The moment this is over, we are showcasing all the pieces that are there in. So we don't do saris, guys. We don't do saris. We specialize in fabric, suits, and dupattas. That's what we specialize in. So here it is now. Next one that we have, guys. It's all coming. Whatever is there is in this, and we're going to showcase. Look at this gorgeous combination, and 48,800 before. 48,800 before, 38,999 afterwards, and I'm going to showcase again the color to you. This is 38,999. Look at the wonderful color here in it. Iska ek aur option hai mere paas, which is what I'm going for. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at this wonderful, so rich. This is again 38,999. I'm going to show it once again. 2 colors in this that you can go for. So, you have to get this now. It is, one of a chance to get ready your wardrobe. Look at this wonderful. I can't have enough of these 2 combinations. So pretty. Both in the same type. 38,999. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, another Lucknowi that's coming up. So we had one earlier. Now we are going to get the second one. These are all sets. You can get the kurta and the, the dupatta. That's the set. At max, you can leave the bottom. Now, this one, okay, so you can see this very, very wonderful combination. This is 78,750 for the 3-piece suit set before discount. After discount, this is 62,999. Look at the dupatta. This is the ektar, 2-tar, gota patti, all tassel dance, organza, Mukesh, all of it together. Not Mukesh, this is a, beach mein patta kam. So look at that, all of this detailing, very, very fine detailing of the hand piece right here. The entire set, 62,999. There you go. In the lighter dupattas, we may not break them down. In the heavier looks like these, you can get the separate prices for the dupattas as well. But of course, the deal is it works out really well as a whole set, but you can take the heavier dupattas alone as well. अब heavy की जो definition है वो आप मेरी टीम को पूछे, वो जरूर आपको बता पाएंगे किस में वो लोग आपको अलग दे सकते हैं. 62,999. Now look at that. It's a wonderful, wonderful complete look. Cannot miss. The next one that we have, I love the fact that it can be so classy, so wonderful as a full look. Now this one, 50,999 in discount, 50,999. Before discount, it is 64,425. So it is 64. Oh, look at that detailing. Look at that work. So before it is 64,425, and in discount 50,999. 50,999, and I think it's the most glorious, most beautiful look. Now the next one I'm going to show you. Okay, let me show it to you like this. This is 54,425. First thing before discount. Look at the detailing. Look at such a beautiful work. The base is our Katan silk, Meena fabric, and that's your dupatta with a plain silk bottom. The price is 43,499 in this. 43,499 in this. Pura work किया हुआ है neck पे. The dupatta is there. Plain silk bottom आएगा. कुछ नहीं आपको करना है. You have to just get a basic, nice, good stitching done. If you want the lining, 480 per meter, get it added. international shipping, guys, will be one time only. You have to pay once and then you can avail it as much as you want. Now look at that, this very nice gotapati work. This is 53,225 before. Now I'll show you what comes with it. First things first, look at this detailed gotapati work. There's also work on the sleeves. That's your kurta chinia silk. और इसके साथ आपको, so this is one nice set जिसमें सब में बॉटम आएंगे. ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन डू द बॉटम. नाउ दैट्स योर कुर्ता एंड बॉटम. यू कैन ऑल्सो गो फॉर अ कुर्ता एंड अ बॉटम फॉर अ पीस लाइक दिस. यू कैन जस्ट डू दैट इज वेल. नाउ दिस वन, लुक एट दिस इज 18,800 एंड दैट्स योर फुल सेट. हियर यू गो. Look at that. So this is sorry yaar, cancel that 18,800. That was only the dupatta price. One sec, I'm going to just tell you the full set price. 42,499. 42,499, which means that the dupatta, the kurta, the bottom, the entire 3-piece sets 42,499. What I was telling you, the fresh price of just this dupatta is 18,800. So you do the maths. 42,499 में this very beautiful, detailed, complete 3-piece set together for you. Okay, now we're going to go on to this. I love this blue. I love it. Look at that. It's so rich. This full look for you. Now I'm going to open the dupatta, but first I'm going to tell you the price. 42,350, 42,350, and after discount 33,999. 33,999 and it's this. Guys, कौन से without bottom आप ले सकते हैं, कौन से दुपट्टे अलग ले सकते हैं, that you ask the team, they'll be able to tell you. So general thumb of rule जो heavier looks हैं उसमें आप ले सकते हैं, कुछ lighter दुपट्टे भी ले सकते हैं. So I leave it to you to go and ask the team on what's possible. And look at that. That's a beautiful full look. 33,999. 33,999. What a gorgeous, gorgeous set. I think it's so beautiful together. ऐसा ही कुछ और sets भी हैं, which is what I'm going to show you. Now is the time to go for it. 32,999. That's also your full set with the plain silk bottom. इसका देखिए, look at the full look. And this is 32,999 for the full piece, full set look. I'm going to showcase it to you like this. You can see it right here. I think it looks wonderful, the whole look for you to see and, like just pick up your favorite one. Now, next one. This incredibly dressy, I can't show it to you again, but you can take a screenshot, go on WhatsApp and आप पूछिए कि कैसे करना है. सारा ही order WhatsApp पे है. आप उनको photo मांगे, video मांगे, वो जरूर आपको देंगे. Length, width, breadth, whatever you want to know. And along with the payment links, they will give it to you all. Just go on WhatsApp. Now look at this. This very, very detailed handwork that there is to it. This is a full set with a plain silk bottom. And this, I'm also going to give you the dupatta along with it. There you go. That's the full dupatta. Organza ka dupatta hai. Let me place it correctly. There is pearl, there is meena, there is everything. This is on chinia. And this full set, 57,999 with this kurta, with this very dressy kurta. I will show it to you all detail mein. Organza dupatta along with it and a plain silk bottom. First, let me just show you this kurta because the whole look is about this very, very beautiful complete look. Plain silk bottom, and then you will go for, yes, COD is available. You can just pay a token amount. It may be 5,000, 3,000. I mean, depending on the order value, honestly. हमारा हर parcel 48,000 का जाता है for COD. So उसके excess अगर कुछ होगा तो या तो we will send. Of course, token तो लेंगे ही हम because that's the whole idea. You will have to go for tokens. But apart from that, you can just we'll split it. Like suppose this is more than 48,000. We'll send 2 boxes. एक में ये आएगा, एक में ये आएगा. You can find the favorite one. So this very, very incredible piece for you that you can go on for. Lots of pieces shown to you. Lots of pieces coming up. Now the next ones that I'm going to show you are very, very interesting. And I'm going to give you the prices. Now look at this. These are this wonderful fabric. Iske prices. Can I get the prices for these sets of 3-piece? So there's the dupatta. There is the fabric. It comes with a plain silk bottom. Before price 28,250. Afterwards 22,599 for a 3-piece suit set. So this and that wonderful plain silk bottom that you're going to go see with it. And I'm going to show you the amazing colors in it. This entire set, 22,000 what was the price? 22,599. That's the price. These are the dupattas going along with it. I think they look so good. There you go. So these are the dupattas and these are the fabrics. 22,599. So these are the pieces और इसमें कुछ colors हैं. These are honestly some bonus pieces that we've added for you, you know, to keep the whole tempo up. 22,599. That's the whole price point of these kurta 2.5 meter plain silk bottom and this dupatta and organza along with it. So 22,599. Such great full sets for you to choose from. Get your favorite colors, or it makes so much sense, you know, guys, to go for full looks, because when you have it, you don't have to think मैं दुपट्टा कहाँ से लाऊं, bottom कहाँ से लाऊं. 22,599. Look at the options that you have. Some amazing colors. There you go. So look at that. Here it is. Can I just open this and show it to you so that you can really get the full look. There you go. That's the kurta. This is the dupatta. 22,599 for 2.5 meter. This dupatta and plain silk bottom 2.5 meter. All of that coming to you. So many colors for you to choose from. This one is the next one that you can choose from. You know, this ivory look, always good, so classy. Again, you know, really classy pieces. 22,599, you know, and such minimal zari, they look so beautiful. Organza के साथ अगर आप इनको पहनते हैं, whatever you wear, you deck it up, jewelry, even some, you know, additional you want to do some, कोई आप चाहें तो कुछ उसमें और भी करा सकते हैं. But they are so beautiful on their own. 22,599. I think these are great, gorgeous options for you to pick up from. Now the next one is make our choice. We have one more choice. Look at that. Oh, isn't that beautiful? So pretty. There you go. And in this, of course, I have more than one piece coming to you. So जो एक दुपट्टा ready है, next वाले में motive may change, but they'll be all organzas. So you know, that's something you should remember, that the motives may change, but they are so beautiful at 22,599. I have one more color to this that I'm going to showcase, and then we are going to go on to something else. Here you go. This is one wonderful piece that I have. Look at that hot, beautiful orange color for you to go for. A pink shade. There you go. A pink. I think this is a wonderful shade of pink. There you go. This. So, guys, we will, you know, I think we'll be able to cover up all that we have to cover up today and show you all the pieces that we have tomorrow. Okay, let's see. Maybe in the evening we'll do a 4 baje ka live to showcase what's there, what's remaining, and we will bring that to you in that live at 4 o'clock. So, abhi se, I think we'll go on for another 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, I'll be able to cover everything that I have to show you. Then we are done. Then you have to just go shop your pieces. 4 बजे मैं आऊंगी. कल की बात तो कल करेंगे. अगर कुछ रहा तो मैं जरूर आऊंगी कल सुबह. But that's going to be tomorrow. Today at 4 I will come back and show you. अच्छा ये available है. आपको जो चाहिए आप ले लें. You know, so I will come and do that conversation with you. And this is also the 22,599. Now some really great deals on blouse pieces, which I'm just going to show you. Now this blouse piece, this is I think 0.9 meter. This, you can see the handwork. It's for 5,999. Look at the piece. Many of you can, you know, see this motive that was, and this fabric cost itself is so high. So, you know, 5,999 for this wonderful, completely embellished blouse piece. And you should just grab it. I think it's 0.9 meters, so you can get your blouse done. ये वाला जो piece है ना, I'm going to tell you, this is for 3,999. Wow. This is for 3,999. So this is, now I'll show you the detailing. इसमें ये neck बना हुआ है. There is the neck that's done. This is the sleeve that's done. This is the sleeve that's done. Honestly, I think the fabric cost is probably something like that. So, ठीक है, you know, that's the whole idea, to get you these amazing pieces. Now, this one, look at this very beautiful one. Again, so here is the neck. That's the neck done. That's the sleeves done. That's the sleeves done. This blouse piece again. This is 5,999. So 5,999, and you have this wonderful blouse piece with you. Or I mean, well, what to say? One bandhni coming up for you. Let's do this one as well. One bandhni coming up for you. Here you go. This wonderfully deep green color. I think it's so amazing. Now look at that. Here it is. This is a, okay, I'm going to give you the mats in just a bit. Now this one, it's 65,425 before, 65,425 before, 514,999, right? Isn't that the thing? One sec. 51,999. So 51,999. That's the whole look with plain silk bottom. Such great deals for you, and you know, a chance to get this wonderfully bandhni detailed pura sab kuch. Look at that. Everything is done as I had said. There is nothing left. आप just इसमें lining add कराना चाहे तो वो करा लें, and then you can just go for it. Now this is a, I think, a part stitched piece. You can see the detail here for the sleeves. That's the neck. You also have this is on organza. Along with it, you have this light dupatta, and this 27,999 for the set with a plain silk bottom. Wow, 27,999. Before it's 43,425. Afterwards, it's 43,425 before. Afterwards, 27,999. You can see the whole piece right here. That's the semi-stitched kurta. You can, of course, you know, just get it redone. It's such a detailed, lovely work. Base is organza. That's the dupatta that you're going for. And just incredible. Yeah, let's do all the colors in that. Meanwhile, usme colors karte hain. But meanwhile, I'll show you this one. Very classy combination. 26,999 in discount. Before 34,550. It comes with a plain chiniya bottom. Look at that. 26,999. Oh, look at how classy it looks. I think it looks amazing. Smashing combination. That's your full look. 26,999 with a plain chiniya bottom. Very beautiful. And we have about 5 to 6 pieces left that we are going to be showcasing to you in this live. And then you can know कि दोनों lives में हमने आपको बहुत सारे pieces, we have shown it to you. And at 4 we will come back with what's left, what's available to showcase to you. What a classy piece. This one, now I'm going to give you the price of this one. This is 56,425 before and 43,999 later on. 43,999 later on. Let's show you the combination. It's one amazing combination for you. Here you go. 43,999 in. This is a Sona Rupa. I think the fabric itself is 8,800 per meter. You know the maths. It comes with a plain silk bottom. The entire set 43,999. Lot of these pieces you can take together. A lot of them you can break it. Ask the team कि किसमें आपको अलग मिल जाएगा. You can get it separately as well. So there you go. Now one very lovely piece. This whole piece is का price. Is it there here on the chit? And I will give you the price for this one. Just take out the chit, please. I'll come back to that one. Yes, can you? Oh, we don't have stitching, guys. But rest, we are happy to do everything. We'll give you the lining as well. Okay, 39,999. So this is 39,999. So this is the piece for you. 39,999 with a plain silk bottom. I think it looks amazing. Here you go. This is very pretty. One more. Look at it. I'll show it to you again. It's absolutely amazing. This combination, मैं ऐसा ही एक और combination आपको दिखा रही हूँ, and you know I'm going to just show it to you. Give me a second. This is also 35,999. This is a premium silk fabric with handwork, you know, dupatta with it. Originally 45,425, and right now 35,999. Look at the look, guys. It's absolutely amazing. Get your combinations, get your whole pieces. लाइव में देखें, प्लेस करें ऑर्डर ऑन व्हाट्सएप. नो द लेंथ, द विड्थ, एवरीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू नो बिफोर यू प्लेस द ऑर्डर, गाइस. दैट्स इट. एंड जैसे ही आपने एक डिस्कशन ओपन किया, उस पीस को फाइनलाइज किया, तो आप उसका पेमेंट करें, देन यू गो फॉरवर्ड. And international shipping, just 3,000 once you have to pay, and then you can take as many pieces as you like. This is 35,999 for the full set. 3-piece set with a plain silk bottom. On a regular day, just this dupatta is 20,800. Guys, the sale is only here in live and on WhatsApp. It's not there on the website. You know, just vibrancies हम दिखाते हैं. It's not possible for us to host a sale like this from the website. It's amazing. It's all here. You see it here and you place an order. We will, you know, just be there available for you to take your order. And couple of pieces. This is, okay, this is, let's show you this. This one, this 26,000, and in discount, I'll tell you the price. What's the price in discount? One sec, I'll give you the price of this one in discount. So you can take a screenshot, come to us, and we'll give you the price for this one. Look at that. It's a beautiful one. मैं इसका price आपको अलग से बताती हूँ. इसमें अगर होगा तो there will be a shit. Anyways, so I have 2 colors in this that I'm going to showcase to you. This in discount is 20,999. 20,999. So this 3-piece suit set 20,999 before 26,550. Afterwards 20,999. And जैसे ये है एक चिनिया bottom, सभी में ऐसा चिनिया bottom आएगा. So you can see they will all come with chinia bottoms like this. Such wonderful full sets for you to go for, really, you know. And I think we're almost done. Let's go for that dupatta, and then we'll go for the 2 pieces that we have left, and then we are done. And then you can go and find your favorite one. Now this dupatta, let's see, this is dupatta 4,999. So this dupatta is for 4,999. This is organza with this border. It is for 4,999. We have some pieces, you can check for it. 4,999. That's the price for this dupatta. So also that, you know, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं and you can kind of get them. Such good deals that you are seeing here. Now this one, 33,999, 42,550 before, 33,999. That's the price. 33,999. That's the price that you are getting for it now. The last ones I have. Oh, look at that. One sec. Let me just put this properly and showcase to you. There you go. You can see it. The last ones that you are seeing are the Munga silk sets that we're going to go for. Ye ek mere paas hai. Oh, what a wonderful color. I love the color. And you can see this. This is the 22,599 wala piece. So yeah, you can see that's the dupatta. This is the fabric. Comes with a plain silk bottom. Some bonus beautiful pieces for you. And look at that. All that there is to show, we are showcasing to you in this one. Here it is. That's the dupatta. It comes with a plain silk bottom. Okay. Now the next one are these. These are all with plain Munga silk bottom. In dupatto ki length is between 2.2 to 2.35, and like this is 2.25. So this one, now this full set, I will just give you the price. Munga silk kurta, Munga silk plain bottom, and the dupatta 21,999. So 21,999 mein 2.5 meter buta kurta and plain bottom in Munga also 21,999. Look at that. Look at the combination. This is 2.25 in length for the dupatta. So I'm going to just showcase that to you. This one is also 21,999. Iski dupatte ki length. So the length of the dupatta you can just check. This is 2.4. The tassels are done. Everything is ready. You can see the whole look. If you have seen this dupattas, then you know it's such a great deal just to go for it. 21,999. That's your whole thing. It's literally like the kurta is free, you know. So there you go. That's the full look for you. इसके जितने भी colors हैं मैं सारे दिखा दूंगी. And then we are done. And then I will leave it up to you to quickly find your pieces and close them. There you go. We have a picture. We'll send you a video of all the pieces that we have. Now this one again. 2.5 this, plain 2.5, dupatta 21,999. These dupattas are in between 2.2 to 2.4. You know, you can check the exact length. They are pure georgette with this handwork border. There is one more here. Is this the last color? Yes, this is the last color that we have in it. And this is again, this is a shade of grey. This is जो भी combinations है, as is है, of course, you know, you can only imagine. We can't change them. This is a combination. It's a beautiful one. This is a Munga kurta और इसके साथ आएगा plain bottom in Munga 21,999. If you want to know the prices separately, you can also know this. Now this is a dupatta. See, wherever the lengths are 2.2 or something will tell you. This is a 2-meter dupatta, and it's a stunning red, a premium cotton one, and handwork, and this is for 7,999. This is a 2-meter dupatta. So this is 7,999 for a 2-meter dupatta. You can see this and you can get these favorite one. Guys, I am done. This is the second live. The first live is also posted. I'm just posting this. Come on WhatsApp with your favorite pieces and place your order. I will see you at 4 with all the ones that are available. Hopefully 4 tak ho jayega. I will come. If there's any change, I will put it on the story. But we will see you at 4 again in a live to show you ki kya usme se available hai. See you guys. Bye.